1 second velocity increase by 20 meters per second, then it's 20, then it's 30. So if you plot a graph, how will the graph be? It's going to be a straight line. So you know the gradient under VT graph is acceleration. Here they have said it is moving under gravitational acceleration. It's moving under gravitational force. Gravitational acceleration is acting. From here to here, gravitational force is acting. Therefore, acceleration is constant. Because the acceleration is constant, gradient is constant. Here, same gradient. Gradient does not change. What if gradient? I am trying to explain. Okay, trying to explain what if gradient will decrease and gradient will increase. It means if the acceleration increases and acceleration decreases. From time, the gradient is constant. Gravitational acceleration is acting. That is constant. So it's going to be like this. If the gradient is up to here, gravity is acting. From 1 second to 2 seconds, if another acceleration that is greater than gravity is acting, then the graph will be like this. That is, you know, right? I'm trying to explain it. So that's it. That's the graph. Okay, I'll clean it now. So graph should be a straight line. What's the next question? Find the velocity of x when it struck the foot of the tower. Take velocity as 10 meters per second. Now let's take this as t1. It's going to move up with a velocity now. I will take this as u. I will clean it. From here, the particle x will move up with a velocity. I will take it as u. Okay. From here to here, I don't know the time. And let's take this as s1, the distance traveled, and this as s2, the distance. In the voice note, I have said you, if you don't know the time, here, if you don't know time, I said you can use this equation. You don't know the time, you know final velocity is 0, it's at rest. Initial velocity you are going to find. You know, I think they have given, they have given like s1 is 0.5 meters. You know v, you are going to find u. You know a, you know s. A is gravitational acceleration. So we'll find u. V is equal to 0. 0 squared is 0. No? So 0 squared. U squared we should find. You know, the gravitational acceleration is acting in the downward direction, that is plus 10 meters per second minus 2. Here I am applying the equation in the upward direction. So as I am applying the equation in the upward direction, velocity is minus 10 meters per second minus 2. When going upward, its velocity is decreasing. If its velocity is decreasing, then there should be deceleration. If it is deceleration, then the acceleration should be negative. Okay. So let me put here plus 2 into minus 10 into 0.5. Okay. 0.5. So 0 squared is 0, u squared, plus into minus minus. In mix you could have studied plus into minus minus 2 into 10 into 0.5. 10 into 0.5 I can put as 5. 10 into 0.5, right? Here I have 1 0, so I can take this decimal to this side, so it's going to be 5. Or else you can think in this way, 10 into 0.5 now. What is this 0.5? 0.5 is equal to half. So 10 into 0.5 is 10 into half, that is 5. Those are mathematics. So it's minus 2 into 5 is 10, minus 10. I'm going to take into this side, so it's going to be plus 10. U square is equal to 10. U is equal to square root 10, and that is equal to 3.162 meters per second minus 1. So you know this velocity. But they have asked in the question, to find the velocity. What they have asked in the question? Find the velocity of x when it struck the foot of the tower. Let's take this as v1. Okay. So you have find out this u. How are you going to find out this v1? Find the velocity of x when it struck the foot of the tower. Okay, now I know t1 plus t2 is equal to 2 seconds now. t1 plus t2 is equal to 2 seconds. If I found out the time taken for this motion, yes. Now from here to here, let me apply v is equal to u plus at. Final velocity is equal to 0. Initial velocity is going to be 3.162, and acceleration is, it's moving in the upward direction. Acceleration is minus 10. So minus 10 into t. Okay. I'm going to find this t1. I'm going to take this minus 10 t1. I'm going to take the other side. 10 plus 10 t1 is equal to 3.162. So t1 is equal to 0.3162.